Oster Pro Series blender with low profile jar. A healthy blend of power, precision, and value. The Oster Pro Series blender makes it possible to blend whole fruits, vegetables and more into healthy smoothies and nutritious dishes for optimal nutrition. Its powerful 1400-watt motor and 250 mph blade speed blend foods to the perfect consistency and freshest taste. Make the most of your ingredients and explore the blend abilities. 64 ounces refrigerated jar with no mess spout and easy-to-read measurements. Rubberized handle for non-slip grip and comfort while in use. Pulse feature for precise blending control. 3 programmed settings for smoothies, soups, dips and spreads. 1400 watts of power and 28,000 RPMs. Perfect for green smoothies, juices, nut butters, hot soups, sorbets, salsas and more. Chop and grind with a stainless steel blade that spins at 250 mph. All-metal drive system for lasting durability. Lets you move difficult-to-process ingredients down into the blade for perfect blends. Prevents movement or slipping during operation. Powerful performance within reach. The Oster Pro Series blender is the perfect blend of high-speed power, precision and proven performance to ensure the freshest, healthiest blending possible. Make healthy smoothies from whole fruits, vegetables, and more or nutritious dishes for optimal nutrition. Its powerful 1400-watt motor and 250 mph blade speed blend foods to the perfect consistency and freshest taste. Make the most of your ingredients and explore the blend abilities.